Hey guys, Joe from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Nike Air Jumbo Dunks. Before we get to this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our next reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly, drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take the time and opportunity to thank subscribers new and old. We can't do this without you, so thank you. Let's go, and today we've got a look at the Nike Air Dunk Jumbo. We got this in the Photon Dust White Summit White colorway in the UK size 7.5, European 42, and it's a US 8.5. So this is a new take on the classic Dunk, as you can see here. There's a lot of bells and whistles. In that regard, I'm not the biggest fan when it comes to dunks. I just like it plain. I like it simple. I like my SB dunks, to be fair, but it kind of is that in this respect. So I'll get into the reasons why when we get into all the details. But here it is. It's very similar, obviously, to a pair of dunks. You know, Nike's second most iconic line, I'd say, just behind the Air Force One. But here it is, a beautiful, beautiful wear. So we're going to get into the details. So we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole. Except what I love gum outsoles. It's classic. It reminds me of a Reebok classic. I know this isn't a pair of Reeboks, but you know, I love that. Just that little touch of gum sole, beautiful. But you got the traditional Dunk traction patterning, but you got a little piece that says Air, so you got like radial part there, and essentially the normal traction patterning that you see on a pair of Dunks. Now, what makes this different, and I'm going to get into the similarities between the Nike Air Dunk Jumbo, is that unlike a pair of normal Dunks, these have an Air stroller board. So it's in the name, obviously Air, and similar to the Nike SB Dunks, those have a Zoom Air stroller board, so there's Air technology. This isn't a Zoom Air, otherwise it would be called the Air Zoom, but there is an Air stroller board in the midsole. So just encompassed inside this cupsole here, it's a rubber cupsole, for those wondering. There's an Air unit there for cushioning, and it's a really good touch. I'm a big fan, again, of SB Dunks. A big part of that is because it's really comfortable. I put it on the side of my feet. And you look at the upper now, so you look at all the materials used, and you can see where it kind of gets the name Jumbo, and that is probably because of the tongue. So again, another similarity between this silhouette and a pair of SB Dunks is that they have a fat tongue. So you can see here, you can see an exposed foam, got a big pull tab right here in the front, and it kind of intertwines with the laces. So that's can be found on the tongue here. You've got flat laces, you've got a choice between classic white and this like lime green. And essentially the rest of the sneaker itself is kind of like a Dunk. So this is the upper right here, made of a blend of materials, so you can see the mesh, so that's all synthetic materials right there, so great for the perforations, great for your breathing. Unfortunately not like a pair of SB Dunks. I mean, loads of SB Dunks differ from model to model, but you can see perforations there. Unlike this one, this is just more of a breathable mesh. Looking at the medial and the lateral side, so if you look at the lateral side here, you got the Nike swoosh, that's part is made out of leather, and you can see more of the body is made out of leather as well. There's the toe box, even though that medial side right there. And if you look at the heel, so the heel, there's not really a pull tab, but again, you can see the leather paneling here, the mesh, and more of that leather paneling from the swoosh that's going around from the medial to the lateral side. Inner, so unlike a pair of normal Dunks, you got more padding, and you can see like it's spaced differently as well. So you can see like kind of dividers right there. And on the insole, you've got the Air logo, just to show that it has Air technology in the sneaker. So that rounds off my review. Really excited to try these on because I'm hoping that they're going to be comfortable like a pair of SP Dunks. I mean, if you are looking for a pair of Dunks, personally I would go for a normal pair of Dunks, or if I can get a pair of cool SP Dunks. All the technology can be found on this, so it's a kind of a blend between the two. I'm not the biggest fan of the tongue, but that's just me. We're going to try these on for you right now, so roll out footage of me trying these Air Dunk Jumbos on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size Nike fit. I'm a UK size 7.5. My toes are where they need to be. It's a great fit. Very comfortable, guys. I can feel the zoom air just underneath. Very different to, you know, obviously a pair of Nike Dunks because I feel like they're a bit tighter personally. But here I've got a bit of wiggle room for my feet. And again, like I mentioned, I can feel that zoom air technology on the underside of my feet. Before I sign off, guys, I am wearing a pair of Nike cargo track pants. For those wondering what kind of trousers I'm wearing, I'm not sure if you can get them online though. And there we go. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, peace.